What's going on, everybody? As you can probably tell from the title of this video, it's going to be a good one. Today I'm flying my drone. Unfortunately I won't be able to get footage from it because it's a Wish drone and doesn't connect well to my phone at all, but basically there is a holder on it for my phone, so that's how I'm going to be taking the footage. It won't be too stable, but hopefully you can see something of the drone. As I say, Wish.com cost around €10, I'm going to say. I'll put a link down in the description below, as well as a code for 5% off if you do want to buy one. There are definitely better ones out there, on Wish even. This one, for example, if there's a gust of wind, it will just go with it. These blade protectors, 2 of them went missing yesterday. No clue how. Looked all around the area, couldn't find them anywhere, so I do need to find an empty space here where there's no one around. So here looks good. Place the drone down, it's all turned on and ready to go. Just slowly putting it down. And it crashes anyway, yeah. Amazing, isn't it? That Wish.com quality of the flip. It's also the quality of my control, but like, you know, let's just not talk about how bad I am, blame the product and all that. But yeah, the camera on it is actually quite decent. I was able to hook it up before with my phone, but recently it's just been acting up, so yeah. As you can see, it's a fly drone, whatever that means. And abort. Can you stop the blades, please? Please, stop. There we go. Now when I pick this up, it might... No? Okay, sometimes it spins out. Okay, so that was fail number 1 of today, I'm going to call it. Oh God! And that one there nearly crashed into me, yeah. This YouTube video is going great, you know that? Soon I'm going to like cut someone's head off or something with it. That would make a great thumbnail, wouldn't it? I cut off somebody's head with a Wish drone. Ah well, what happens happens. Don't have any insurance, so yeah. Okay, let's see here. Also have no qualification to be doing this, so I have no clue why I am. Oh, wait, dog incoming, wait. just need to be careful it doesn't get chewed up. It's bad enough as it is, without having bite marks on it. So let's place it facing this way. I'm just trying whatever I can here to actually get it to fly away from me. So I have the up and down controls. Oh, okay, so it's aha, here we go. Now I have it flying smoothly enough. Now those blades are actually going a lot faster than you would see here. Yeah, it's just the refresh rate of the camera. As you can see, it can go pretty high. I'm just going to slowly put it down here. Takes a while for the engines to spin out. Takes a long while for the engines to spin out. That's probably the smoothest landing I've had yet with any of these Wish drones. So it's still spinning for some reason. Maybe if I just put it down into the ground more. Yeah, I should really wear my GoPro that I got on like some site similar to Wish a while back. See how that works. Ta-da! There we have it. So that was the Wish.com drone. I said I'd make a follow-up video on it all those months ago, and let's call this official test flight number 1. I can't fly it above 5 meters without air traffic control clearance apparently, so that's annoying. So I do need to watch how high I get it. That's at least over here, and I can't use it for commercial reasons such as deliveries without a proper certification and permits and stuff like that. So don't expect anything crazy. I don't know what the side buttons do on it. It does have a trim on it, which I'm excited to use, but for now I'd say that's about going to finish it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.